right?
Yes. So that is my spot for my garbage disposal button. And we left that sticker on. There it goes. And now I have a whole wall.
The sticker wasn't exactly centered.
Oh. So now we...
There's that.
keep off.
Well, and that's why I was tapping fairly gently.
Because it was part way.
Because I wasn't 100% sure exactly
Where the hole was. Don't make it too big.
No, there's it's drilled on the back side. When we flip it over, you'll see.
Okay.
I'm going very slowly and carefully.
Okay. I don't have a garbage can. It's over there.
Why not?
Because I don't carry one around with me. Okay, so you have gotten Cleesink air switch in black.
The cheap one. You see, it still needs to go more.
Okay.
And on the bottom, I can feel that it should go more.
Okay.
So, just
Working your way around.
to alleviate concerns.
Okay. Could you do it like with a file? Because this is composite.
Possibly.
Okay.
But the instructions say to do that.
Oh, look how pretty that is. Can I like clean it up before you put it on?
Want to wipe it off?
I'd like to, if that's okay.
Okay.
I just don't like to put something clean on something dirty. That just... Okay, I feel better. Thank you.
So,
Okay, that's like the little air hosey thing.
yeah. Now, I'm installing this now because when the sink's installed,
Okay, so you put the little piece on, is that right side up or does it go the other way?
huh?
Does it go up this way?
No.
It goes that way, okay. Yeah, pretty.
Because it's a lot easier to reach that with it like this. And then this piece plugs in to our disposal outlet underneath the sink.
Oh.
And then that hose will hook to
And
this.
it's an air like, it's not electricity.
Yes, it just pushes air to toggle this switch on and off, so there's no electricity
Okay.
up where the sink is.
So you're plugging it in down there.
Right.
And then when they get the garbage disposal. So do you leave the switch
Then
on?
the switch stays on, and that controls it on and off.
Okay. Clank, clank, clank every time I eat. You want me to undo the twisty? Couldn't you reach it?
I just don't fit underneath here.
No, you're too big for the little space. Okay, so that is the garbage disposal button plug. Which is just air.
Yeah. Yeah, when you push the button, it just blows a little puff of air out of that.
And turns it on.
And there's a switch in here. And then the disposal will plug into this.
Okay, so the disposal switch right here, you just leave that on
Correct.
once it's hooked up, not before.
Correct.
Okay.
Doesn't seem to
Well, it looks fancy.
want to fit in there. I think the tubing's too thick for that nut to...
But it came with it.
I know it did.
Oh. Okay.
I'll see the nut fits on here. I can't see.
Like that. And you had it on there backwards.
Oh. Okay.
Maybe I had it on this back. We will give it another shot. See if that works. There's a little thing in there. I slid it on.
You should be able to just tighten it.
All right, now it goes on.
Now that makes sense. So then that must be the correct direction.
Yeah. And this will go right like that. In there.
Okay, so here's the test. That is so cool. Thanks for watching.